Okay, I started the recording just now. Okay, so today I'll just recap. So we are going to go to the Amazon. So here, go to the books and audibles, then go to the children books. You will land to this page. In this page, I want to click on the 3 to 5 years element over there. Okay, that's what we are going to do. So for that, I'm trying to identify the element. Okay, this is the element. So here, if you see, we were saying actually what, whether can it take any common information, is we should not take this 3 to 5 years, because right now it will be 3 to 5 years, it will be changing soon. So that's why it's not preferably to take it. So I'm going to the top one. A tag does not have anything. This div tag also has grid image. We can try this. We will see whether it works. Then the grid column. So before this grid image is there, and then the grid content is there. So we will see whether this works. So right now we have written, so div contains bxc grid column. So based on this, we will try. So / div. So first we have found out actually what, okay, let me, it's just now started the recording, right? So what I did means, this is the div tags which is holding each and every element. Okay, so the common thing is bxc hyphen grid underscore column is there. Got it? So I have taken div contains @class bxc hyphen grid underscore column. Because it's a lengthy one, I'm just taking only the first top information, this alone, not the entire thing. Then if I go inside, we have bxc grid content, the class which has bxc grid content. / div contains @class comma basic grid content. So again 59 matches. Then whether the image will it take, same thing, let me take this one. Instead of content, it should be image. Now it's 55. /A51. Okay, no, it does not match. Okay, grid row, based on this, I think so we can make it. So it's there under the first one. Let me go via this. Div contains @class comma row. So 19, in that I will take the first one. The first one is what, mine. So how I have taken means, see right now a lot of matches are there. In that I want the first one. So I should give, before this actually what, double quotes over there. In that I should give 1. Got it? This is how I have given. So usually this is how we will write the Xpath. Okay, here what it did means, I have opened, then make it as 1. Inside this one, I'm giving my content. So that here for this, it was giving me 19 matches. In that, give me the first match. That's what. Okay, not as per actually what brothers and siblings over there. Okay, it gives based on how many we have identified. In that, get me the first one. Okay, because the first one is what, holding my information. Got it? So we got this. In that, again go for the div. So now it's 5 matches. I want the second one, so I'll go for the position is equal to 2. Got it? Then // a tag gets my information. After that, the div tag, there I'm going for the position 2. Why? Because, so first we got, so here if you see, there are two things, row, two informations. So the first row is holding my content. Can you see the entire content? So I just took the first one. Got it? First one of the entire count. Then after that, I'll open this. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 divs. In that I want the second div. So that's what I gave, position is 2. That matches me this one. See? That matches me this one. Then after that, here we have a tag. So directly come to the approximate a tag. Instead of that giving /div/div/a, I'm directly giving /a. Otherwise, I should give descendant. So it comes to the grandchild. Got it? Understood, guys? How I came for this? Any questions on this? Can everyone ping me? Any questions? Is everyone clear? At least, are you guys getting what I'm trying?
Murli?
Yes.
I have one confusion. Till deep position 2, we got that image. So what about this A? Why we are taking A?
So right now, this is actually what the second div. But the A tag is what where we can perform an option.
I did not get it.
So A tag, I told it's always represents link.
Yeah.
Correct, right? So that's why we should point out to A tag, not to the div tag. Only when we don't have A tags, then only actually what the div tags also. So simple. Right now, here the A tag is what like a link where I can perform the click option. So these div tags actually what when I try to click on it, can you see it's highlighting some other information also. So where I will not be able to click on it because once I click on it, I should navigate to the next page. Got it? So for that, only A tag, it will work for us. Understood, right?
Okay.
Any understood, guys? Any questions?
Yeah.
Cool. So now, yes.
Okay, so can you show me the notepad?
Come again?
Notepad.
Yes.
Where is it here? So what is the difference between position in bracket is equal to and only 1?
Good. Good. So I want someone to ask this one. So good. So now I will take this. So totally you can see 19 matches are there. Got it? Which is coming from different places. Can you see here? Now I'm going to give off 1 here. Now can you see still 4 matches? What is that 4 matches here means? If you see for this div tag, this is actually what a child. So there are actually what 2 childs. In that the first child actually what is having also grid of row, the second is having it. So I am giving it as 1. So that means the first brother takes the information. Same thing, first matches. Then if we go to the second match, same thing here also you can see. The second, sorry, this one, the first is actually what the grid of row. Then here also actually what? The first is the grid of row. The remaining steps are not been mentioned. Same thing for the next one. Got it, right? So what's happening over there means it gets me the first information, that is the first brother information. That is what this position 1 will give, or position is equal to 1. Okay, so position is equal to 1 or 1 will help us to give actually what give the first brother information. Got it? Now what is that I want here means, so totally there are 19 matches are there. In that, get me the first match, because I know the first match is what what is it, pointing out to my element. Got it? So that's why I'm giving here on the top, go here and then give me the first match. Not as per actually what brother level first. Entire 19 elements, in that get me the first element. Now understood whether there is a difference between both the position and then when we give with actually what parenthesis and then one pointing.
So the position means it will go to the brother. Like out of all the brother element, which one we need to choose? In that that is for position one.
Correct.
And if you are not using position one, then out of all the matches, which one we want to take, right?
So you can, I'll just do one more thing. See right now, here if I give position equal to 1. So now what's happening? Totally all the brother matches which is on the first element, it comes. Correct?
Yeah.
Same thing if I give here 1, that also gives me actually what the first match of the brother elements. Correct?
Yes.
On before that, if I close the parenthesis, see the entire Xpath is there, right? Which I got it. For that, I'm giving a parenthesis. For that, get me the first one means out of the 19 matches, get me the first match.
Yes.
Got it? That is what here we are doing.
Okay.
Understood? Then on that, we got to the child, which is div, which is having the 5 elements. So that is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in that, I want the second one. Got it? The second brother. So that's what here div of position is equal to 2. Then inside that, I want the A tag. So which is actually what? The grandchildren. So that's why I gave double forward slash A. Otherwise, I should give slash descendant colon A. Understood, guys? Any questions for anyone? Okay, so now go to the same page. Okay, go to the same page. I'm just giving everyone in the chat window. Go to the same page. Then after that, get me actually what the fourth element, 9 to 12 years. Got it? Get me the fourth element. I'm not going to forward my Xpath here. Okay, so you write by yourself. Got it, right? Get me the fourth element. I'll give you 5 minutes time because whatever we have done in that fourth thing. Understood, right? Everyone can do? Can you guys do? Can you ping me as yes? I want everyone to try this because so simple. Xpath, by seeing you will not understand it. When you practice it only, actually what you will get the Xpath information is very clear. It's kind of a max. Only when you try it, you will be able to do it perfectly. And then it becomes faster and easier. Cool. Okay, yes. Just 5 minutes. I want a reply from everyone. Mandatory. Okay. Thanks, guys. If I 8-5, we will again connect. Is no reply. No one is able to do. Any issues you guys are facing?
Ready? Sorry. Murli, I'm facing the syntax issue actually.
Okay.
Position, for position.
Position, it has to come with a parenthesis. You would have missed out this parenthesis, hopefully.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Murli.
Yes, Dimitra.
Why I'm not able, actually, I missed the last class. So, I'm a little bit confused. Why I'm not getting this, the last row, when we are checking it out, go to the last one. Yeah, this one. I'm not getting it in my Google Chrome.
Is it?
Yeah. So, how?
Can you share your screen? We'll see once.
How to do that?
At the bottom, you will have option called share.
Yeah. This one.
You're getting? Then, okay. Can you just give the control to me?
Murli, I sent it to you.
Oh, yeah. Good, man. That's correct. Jesh, that's correct. Yes.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah. Good. So let me close this as of now. I don't want this. This is a tag. Then if I go, the grid column is what holding the information. Then the grid row. So you have to start from the grid row. So here I'll give.
Sure. How did you get that? This one.
This
Control
one?
F. Then the last one.
Yeah. For that, Control F.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I get the same. Okay. Continue.
Just give me a minute. You're not getting that. Okay, you're not getting that. I'm not sure why. Let me go to the console. Yeah, let me try that. $X. So totally 19 matches are there. So in that, if I want the first match, I have to open and close here. Give it as 1. Now I got perfectly one match. Okay. So there we already have seen actually what that as 5 childs, the grid column. Okay. So I will take them. I'll copy the same thing. After the one / div contains this one, instead of row, it should be column. Now I have 5. In that I want the fourth one. So I will just give fourth. Why fourth? You can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, This is what holding mine. So I'll go for the fourth one. That's the thing. Then in that // a tag.
So why I'm not getting it like as you are getting?
I'm not sure. We need to see over there what is the issue. Not sure. Usually Control F should give it.
It's a down. You cannot write. Find by string selector and Xpath.
I'm not getting. What is
Is
that?
it because of Chrome version?
I'm not sure. Actually, I have not seen. This is the first time I'm seeing over there. Usually, when we give Control F, it should come. Not sure why it's not showing that here. Okay, yeah, here we are getting. Yeah. Okay, only when we give this console bar, then we are getting it. The console drawer is there, right?
Yeah.
So once you give, you will get it. Now if you press Control F, you will get your information.
Okay.
It is the console should be opened here. This console drawer here for you.
Okay.
Hide
Right.
console drawer. That time only you can get that. You can just make it down and then keep it like this so that you will not be getting disturbed over it. Got it right?
Yeah, got it.
Good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Can you stop your share, Deblata?
Sorry?
Can you stop? Yeah. No worries. No worries. I'll share. Stop it. Good. Guys, others, only JS has done it. Others, guys, any issues you guys are facing? I want everyone to try it for sure. Okay, so now I'll go for make my trip. So here I will go for flights. So Delhi to Bangalore, I'll just go for a one traveler as it is search. Okay, so here I want to click on the second book now button. Okay, how to get the XPath for that? That is what we are going to see. Right click, inspect. So inspect it. Then this is the second book now button. This one. So as usual, if I want to click on the second book now button, I need to identify the common parent for these two book now buttons. Got it? Then only we can click on the second one. So for that, I'll go there to the top, this div, this div, this div, this div. Can you see? This is the one holding my entire information. Flight list item 0, item 1, item 2. So here I will take item 0, those things we cannot take it. Let me try with this flight list, whether this one works. // contains @ID, flight list. Can you see? Totally 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it goes on. So once we go a little scroll down, we will get still flights. So right now it's showing 9. And then it goes on and then gets me more information. Got it? When we scroll, we will get more information right now. So right now I want the second one. So if I want the second one directly here itself, I can give second. Got it? Directly I got it. Then here, if you see, the book now button is present here. It's a button. Directly // button. I got my book now button. Clear? Any questions for anyone? Is it clear? Understood, please?
So Murli, as there are no brothers here, so we chose directly to a button, right?
Correct. So here, if you see, it's directly I was having actually what one common information for everything. It was given flight list item, flight list item. Can you see?
Yes, yes.
So that's why I took this one and then as a contains approximate keyword. Then in that actually what I found actually what the second element directly. So
Added
it
all the
matches this.
matches.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then from there I went to actually what the button which is holding my book now button.
Okay.
Got it, guys? The same thing if I want to get the price. So you can see here full left price over there. Then the span tag is what holding my information. Can you see? This is what. So for this, how to go? So can you see? Actual price is there. I'll take that class. /span @class is equal to actual price. Let me. Actual price. Why I'm taking direct? Yes.
It has to be equal to or comma.
Now it actually what is equal to. Why means I'm not using approximate keyword directly. Full keyword I'm using.
Okay.
Okay. Approximate when we are using, we have to use contains.
Sure.
Because why I'm using there means it's like it's not going to be item 0, item 1, item 2 and all what's coming, right? Flight list item. So that's why I'm using it as an approximate keyword and then I'm using it.
Okay.
Okay. But here this span tag. So after this /span, then this span tag is what holding my information. This span is what holding my information. Can you see it starts here, then ends here. This span, inside that one we have another span which is having actually what the rupees. This 4712 is what is there here. So right now when I give it over there, my output will be the text of actually what this inner span plus this one. That is I will get this INR 4712. Got it right? So output will be of actually what this span plus this span, because the children's information also we will get when we are printing actually what child. Sorry, when we are printing the parent.
So Murli, small question. So if I, as you said, if I want to just read the value of this, like flight cost, okay.
Yes.
So will this much will work, or do I need to go down to span class INR?
No, that's what I'm saying. If you go to this span, for you it will print only this actually what INR. Can you see which is highlighting?
Yes.
It is print only that, not the price of it. In this
Okay.
span only, can you see it prints the INR plus the price of the flight.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Got it right?
Yes. So this much Xpath will be sufficient for getting the INR plus cost.
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
Any questions, guys, for anyone? Okay. So with this, I'll stop for Xpath. So tomorrow we are going to start with actually what CSS selector. I'm going to give you some assignments on Xpath. I want everyone to do this for sure, because if you're not practicing, for sure, I can give you a guarantee that you will not know anything about Xpath. Okay. So I want everyone to mandatory that actually what? Try these assignments.
So Murli, out of this class,
Yes.
so do we have a class on Friday?
Oh, Friday is actually what we have Independence Day.
No. Thursday is a Independence Day, and 16th is Friday.
Okay, got it.
It's a long weekend. That's why I was asking.
Got it. So, guys, actually, yeah, that's correct. Only whatever you said. So most of them might plan. Guys, actually, what can be tomorrow might be the last class. So 15th is actually what Independence Day in India. So 15, 16, 17, 18 is a long weekend in India. So the next class, so tomorrow we have class, 14th we
Yes.
have class, then the next class will be on 19th. Okay, it's like actually a long weekend, so that's why tomorrow we have class. Wednesday, tomorrow we have class. Then after that, 19th will be the next class. Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Murli.
Yeah. Thanks, Yash. Thanks for reminding me one day before. Good. Okay. So I have given two XPath here. So one is make my trip, get me the price of the second flight, book for the second flight, price for the second hotel. That is what means here. If you go here, hotels are there, right? Go to the hotels. There will be some small changes compared to the flights over there. That's why. So here, go over to some place, search. Here in this, get me the second hotel. Okay, close this. Get me the second hotel name. That is the name of it. Second hotel name. Name and make my trip. Then price of the second shoe in Flipkart. Go to the Flipkart. Go to any shoe section. Get me the second shoe name. Then Xpath of elements while creating an account in Gmail. So when you're going for a Gmail, right, you will have an option for create account. So here, get me the XPath for each and every element which is present here. Sign in. Next. For all those things, I want you to get the XPath. Then find the XPath of all elements while creating an account in Gmail. Then XPath for login and logout for Gmail. Okay. So that means when you come to Gmail here, so you guys will be here. Okay. So get me the XPath for this username text box. Then after that, what you have to click on this next. So for this next. Then click on next. Then for the password field. Okay. So for the password field, this text box. Then after that, click on the next. Again for this next, what is the XPath? Find it. Or check whether the old XPath itself matching for this next. Then after that, once you come here, then after that, you have to click on this profile icon. So get me the XPath for this profile icon. Okay. Then after that, actually what? You will click on it. So these informations we will do it in WebDriver. When we come to it, right now get the XPath alone. Then after that, sign out this button is there. So for that, again XPath. Then I will click on it. Once you sign out, you will come to this page. Got it? So how you can confirm you have came to this page? So for this, again get XPath of this Google or forgot password. Forgot password is there, right? If that comes also, it's like you have logged out successfully. Okay, any element which will not be there under that one. So that's why we will take like those things. Okay, get me the XPath for that. Okay, then go to the w3schools.com tables. So get the third row element info for the country column. What does that mean? Go here to the W3 schools. So here you have a tables over there, right? So here in this table, get the third row element info for the country column. That means, so third row is what? 1, 2, 3. In that, Austria, I want for that. Then fifth row element info for the company column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. Okay. So remember, not based on the names, based on the row number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I'm pointing it over there. Third row, fifth row. Not based on actually what name or the country name. That is easy to get it. Okay. Identify based on the rows or the columns level. Get all the country name listed. Now actually what? All the country name. Germany, Mexico, Austria, UK, Canada, Italy. All those things I want you to list down. So these are the different things. If you do this, you will be good in XPath for sure. 100% you will be very good. Same thing, go to the Flipkart, get me the Elon Musk book price. I'm not sure whether right now we have that. Okay, they have taken. Okay, we'll take for this. The Dhoni touch. We'll take this. The Dhoni touch. For this, get me the XPath. Okay, understand the difference between parent, child, descendant, ancestor, following sibling, preceding sibling, contains, position, count, last, command in the XPath. So how you will understand, not by actually going through the recording or something. That is, you have to write the XPath here, and then based on that actually understand what is the difference of everything. Got it, right? With an example, you have to write by yourself and then get the differences. Okay, that's what I want from everyone. So this entire weekend, you guys have to practice on this XPath. Okay, not only today, this entire weekend, try to do all these assignments for sure. You will be best in XPath. I have given 2 pictures like that only. It'll be so easy for you. Cool, guys. Everyone can do for sure, right? I want everyone to do this. It'll be easy for you. Okay. Thanks, guys. So with this, I'll stop for today. Thank you. Tomorrow, we'll meet by the same time. So tomorrow we have class 7:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thank you.